That's good.
That'll help with the rope swinging over his head. You know what?
See him blink his eyes?
Mm-hmm. I don't think he's awake.
Yeah, he's got. Okay, here we go.
Okay, let me know if I need to jump off the...
Oh, he'll line it up here in a minute. No problem there.
I'm just zoomed in on him.
He's got a heck of a woe on him.
Yeah, he does. He's got more woe than go, doesn't he?
He does right now.
That'll change in just a minute. This guy can move now.
That one little yearling's got a cough.